The earth is not inherited from our ancestors, it is borrowed from our children. For 46 years, the Kiwanis Club of Kalibo Incorporated under the Kiwanis Southern Philippine District has remained committed to serving communities and protecting the environment through meaningful and sustainable action. Under the leadership of President Wayne Malilay, the club continues its mission of creating a cleaner, greener, and better future for generations to come. Today, we proudly present our entry to the Kiwanis Aspak Rice Contest 2026. The project EcoWarms, Environmental Care and Organic Waste Management through Recycling, Vermiculture, and Meaningful Sustainability. Environmental problems continue to challenge communities around the world. Improper waste disposal, pollution, climate change, and the destruction of natural resources. But amidst these challenges, we discover an innovative and sustainable solutions. Vermiculture. It is the process of cultivating earthworms to transform biodegradable waste into nutrient-rich organic fertilizer known as vermicompost. What others see as waste becomes life. Fruit peelings, dry leaves, vegetable scraps, and biodegradable materials are naturally converted into organic compost that enriches the soil, nourishes plants, and restores the environment. Seeking sustainable environmental practices, the Kiwanis Club of Kalibo Incorporated collaborated with the Badjo Numancia Vermiculture Center through the support and guidance of Mrs. Russell I. Gomez. Our members and officers devoted their time and effort to learn the process of vermiculture and understand its importance in environmental preservation. This initiative became more than a project. It became a movement of education, innovation, and community empowerment. Using vermicompost produced through vermiculture, we support healthier tree growth and stronger ecological restoration. Through every seed we plant, every shoreline cleaned, and every waste transformed, we bring hope back to the environment. From October 2025 up to the present, the club intensified its environmental campaigns through tree planting activities, coastal cleanup drives, reforestation projects, community beautification, and environmental awareness campaigns. Believing that sustainability begins with the youth, we also engaged our service leadership program partner, the Key Club of Kaisek. Through participation and education, young leaders were empowered to become active stewards of the environment. Together, we inspire our communities to protect nature not only for today, but also for tomorrow. The Kiwanis Club of Kalibo Incorporated proudly offers this initiative as our commitment to environmental protection and community well-being. Through recycling, vermiculture, tree growing, and collective actions, together, let us transform waste into life, communities into partners, and hope into action. This is your Casey Kalibo, your superhero, rising in action.